Hey there everyone, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're doing just a test of the, well, it's all the same camera, but we're just pointing this away from me this time. Seeing how the focusing goes. We're here in Times Square, so I think this is a place that everyone will really know. And we are in FPV mode, which is first person video, shooting on the DJI Osmo Pocket. And we're shooting at 4K at 30 frames per second. Shot in fine. Superfine is not available for 4K 30. It seems right now it's just available for 1080p at 30 frames or 60 frames per second. But looking at the footage on here, it is just outpacing the iPhone that I use and the DSLR that I use to make videos. So I hope you're enjoying it. I'm just walking around here. Oh, one thing I should do is I'm gonna run up the steps. See how this goes. Running up. And here we are at the top. So I've made a few tests on this already, and the light balancing has been great. It really doesn't overexpose. Everything is extremely crisp. And I've been a really big fan of this. But if you see something or have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and I'll be doing more videos like this and more videos on other things too. So enjoy this for a little bit longer. By the way, it is freezing out here. Actually, one thing I do realize here is that if you are shooting anyone else other than yourself, the microphone is always going to be pointed at you. So if you're interviewing somebody else, I don't believe it is really going to be doing anything. So we'll see how that goes. I may be mistaken, but I have only seen a front-facing microphone on here, and I don't believe it's switching between another one. And right now there is no, the accessory for, the external audio is not available yet. Really no accessories are available yet, and that's pretty unfortunate, but still, the device does come with input for your iPhone and your Android as long as it's using USB-C, because it does not work with the micro. Alright guys, so that is it. I'm freezing, and I'll see you guys next time.